Welcome to our quick review of EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard. Before we start, I've put a link to EaseUS in the description so you can give it a try yourself after this video. EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a powerful software designed to recover lost, deleted, or inaccessible data from various storage devices. At the core of its functionality, EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard scans storage devices and recovers lost data. It can retrieve files from hard drives, SSDs, USB drives, memory cards, and even damaged or formatted partitions. EaseUS has a deep scan feature, which thoroughly searches for lost files, even in cases where quick scan fails. It also has a file preview, which allows users to preview recoverable files before restoration. This feature supports the recovery of various file types, including documents, photos, videos, and more. It also has partition recovery, which can recover data from lost or damaged partitions. The Pro plus WinPE version creates a bootable USB drive for recovery when the system won't boot. On the positive side, you have a user-friendly interface. The software is easy to use, and even for those with limited technical knowledge, you will find the effective recovery pretty good, which performs well in recovering files that other software may miss. There is the offer for a free version that can recover up to 2 GB of data, and you have a comprehensive support which provides various self-service options and live assistance. On the flip side, there is a slow scanning. Some users report that the scanning process can be time-consuming, and the cost for single users can be a downside as the pricing may be high for individual users. And the limited SSD recovery. Like most software, it may struggle with recovery data from SSD due to trim technology. Now, when it comes to pricing, there are different prices for each product. For the data recovery, you have the Data Recovery Pro, which promises to be easy and safe and applies to all data loss situations. You can buy this for $69.95. And then you also have the lifetime upgrades, 8 apps for $199. Which you can agree is the best value bundle. When we go down, we have the same price as we saw before, which is the most popular, and if you're a technician, you have a complete data recovery solution for service providers. As an individual, of course, you can go with the Pro with $69.95. So EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard is a competent and user-friendly data recovery tool. It offers a good balance of features and ease of use, making it suitable for both novice and experienced users. While it may be pricey for individual users, its effectiveness in recovering lost files makes it a stronger contender in the data recovery market. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, give it a like. Click the link to explore EaseUS Data Recovery Wizard and let us know what you think in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe and click the notification button for more content, and we'll see you in the next one.